This is the GRAMR V2 TE, a great 75% keyboard, especially for its price. Marked at only $50, you can get yourself a sleek, quality keyboard. You have the option of TDC red, blue, or brown switches. Software is provided as well, which can be used to customize the lighting on the keyboard. You can set macros and also enable gaming mode and choose to disable the Windows key and other commands. Here is the sound test of the red switches, which are my personal preference. As it is a 75% keyboard, the numpad is gone, function keys and other miscellaneous keys are a bit smaller, and the arrow keys are pushed in with the mix. The keyboard comes with magnetic stands in case you would like your keyboard to be at an angle. The GRAMR V2 TE comes with a keycap puller in case you would like to switch out the keycaps. Sadly, this keyboard is not hot swappable, but you have to expect a flaw from such a reasonable price. The power cable is detachable, so the keyboard is extremely portable, and the black USB-C cable is very unnoticeable as well. 2 USB ports are located on the back of the keyboard for convenience. But how good is it really for gaming? The response time of the keyboard is 1 millisecond, which is just about the least it can get. The report rate on the keyboard is 1000 Hz. The keys are very easy to press, and they don't push down by barely putting pressure on them either. Overall, this is one of the best keyboards $50 can get you. I completely recommend this, and if this review made you buy the product, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. I told you to keep it down! Mom, can you be a little quieter?
Yeah.
Life of being a 13-year-old YouTuber.
That's terrible.